recover Google Drive password step by step. So let me tell you guys, to recover your Google Drive password, you must recover your master Google account password, as Google Drive does not have its own separate login credentials. So all you have to do is open your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari, then navigate directly to the official Google account recovery page, and then type your Gmail address or type your linked phone number instead if you forgot your email. Then tap the next button, then type the last password you remember, and then tap next to proceed. Then tap try another way if you cannot remember any past password. Now Google will offer verification methods based on your account security setup. Open the prompt sent to your logged in smartphone and then request a verification code sent to your backup inbox, then request a text message or call within a 6-digit. Now enter the verification code received via email or text, then type a completely new password and then avoid using a password previously tied to this account, then retype the new password to confirm and then tap save password to finalize access. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.